Hello everybody! Today we are going to see a crispy banana chips. The ingredients needed for the crispy banana chips are red chili powder, salt and black pepper powder. First we have to peel off the bananas. Not in depth, the first layer needs to be removed and keep it in a bowl of water. It should be fully immersed or the color might turn black. See, like this you can put it in water, after which you can keep a kadai, pour some oil and heat it. Once the oil is heated, you need to slice the banana into the oil directly using the slicer. Keep turning the pieces. Sliced piece should be turned frequently. Don't leave it long. The color should be even, so keep turning. If you're going to use a gas stove, keep it in medium flame. Don't keep it in high flame. See to it and adjust it. Once the boiling sound reduces, check whether it is fully cooked and you will hear a crispy sound. You have to cook the pieces evenly and carefully. Wait for a while. And sure, this dish will be a treat for all of us in this period of time. It's very simple as well. In the meantime, you can prepare a strainer with a kitchen towel to remove the excess oil after it has been cooked. See, now you can see the change in color of the pieces. So you can get ready to remove those from the oil. If needed, keep turning it. See to that each of the pieces are separate. You should not put all the pieces together in the same place. Evenly it should be sliced and spread out. Once it is done, the sound will gradually stop. Don't be in a hurry to remove that from the oil. Even a single piece uncooked will become soggy and will spoil the taste. After checking, you can keep separating the pieces. Now we'll remove the sliced pieces that are all cooked from the oil. After which we'll be adding the dry powdered pepper and red chili powder with the salt for taste. See to that the handle is not hot, otherwise you need to use a hot pot holder or a thick kitchen towel, cotton kitchen towel. See, the crispy green banana chips are ready. See the texture of it and the color of it. And now it has been transferred to the strainer. Can you see the texture? Evenly cooked. Now you add to it red chili powder. If you need, you can also add the sambar powder which you have, or plain red chili powder, salt to your taste, and pepper powder as well. Sprinkle it and finally mix it well, and the treat is ready. Crispy, hot, homemade green banana chips. Hope you enjoyed this video.